guys, and welcome to another episode. Today's video is going to be a short video, and I won't be too much on details because there's a lot of videos in YouTube with all those details on how can you re-sleeve the wire harness, rewire this, rewire that. It's a little bit different in Europe. Yes, I could have showed you guys how it's done in Europe, but it's kind of boring. In my opinion, it's boring to put in a video. It's going to be a long ass video. So I just decided to show you guys what I do real quick and make his wire harness look good and tuck it a little bit. On the next video, we should be able to put the engine harness back into the car with a new alternator and see if we can tuck it as much as we can, and that's it. We'll see if it runs good. But yeah, like I said, it's a short video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. So today we are gonna keep working on this harness, covering it and sleeving it and doing what we got to do so we can get this car running. Be waiting on the alternator and then we can get it started. But first, we're helping out a friend of ours get his Y8 running. He went from a D14 to the D16 Y8. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I've been posting about it a couple times. That's Gabriel. So, and he finished the swap, but we're having little problems.
Some small issues.
Yep, small issues like the RPM and the speedometer is not working. This is the baby over here with a Y8 on it. I like the color. Later on it'll get detailed and all fixed up after you get it done. So as soon as he's got it running, we'll get a footage of it.
So you connect that blue cable that we disconnected over here?
Yeah.
Number
20 on connector A.
So the connector.
Yellow, green, yeah.
Well, we have not much time to deal with his wiring right now because he has to go pick up his dad. But at least we got the check engine light working. And now we just got to figure out RPM and speedometer why isn't working. But we could do that another day. He has to go to the airport to pick up his dad.
Yes, sir.
And us, we got to go back there and little hole and mess with the wiring as well. So we'll be back, guys. Messing with you. Give it gas. Alright guys, you can see that wire harness is looking better and better every time. That main wire, big thick section there with the thicker sleeve. It's a 19 millimeter diameter sleeve, but it's opened up so you could just slide it in there. So yeah, that's all you need. Some sleeves on Amazon, the pin-out tool, heat shrink, black tape, heat gun, and get to work. You just gotta be patient. Takes a long time, but it's looking good, really good. All right, this baby is 98% done. And I say 98 because we got that wire there still. I think it's this plug here. So it's messing with the alternator. It's a bitch to take the alternator apart. So yeah, that baby's done, guys. This is the part 2 and final part of this wire harness. And I didn't need much. Yeah, I could have done better, but I don't have that kind of money to be putting yet on that stuff. So, yep, that baby's done. And on the next video, we will be working. Yep, I'm gonna be working on this one. And I'll be cleaning it up, cleaning the bolts. The bolts, like I said, I was gonna use this. Start cold bluing the bolts. All these bolts that I didn't get, they're gonna get clean, and then we'll get this put on, and it'll turn the bolt black, or you could say gun black. Yeah, that's on the next video. Just comment down below if you have any questions about the wire harness. I'll answer them. It's not hard. It's not hard. It's just a time-consuming thing to do, and a lot of patience, right?
Yeah, fuck that.
Because look at all that mess over there. Now we're just gonna run it whenever he gets the alternator, and I bet this baby's gonna be running good. Oh yeah. All right, guys. As I was editing the video, I realized that I didn't mention that my friends with the blue Civic was gonna be there working on his little problem with the RPM and the speedometer. That day it took us a while working with his car, so it wasn't much I couldn't do or record. It wasn't much that I couldn't record about the wire harness. But since, like I said in the beginning, there's a lot of YouTube videos on how you could do a wire harness. But on the next video, I will try to explain a little bit of what we did with the wire harness, or how I did the wire harness. I'm sorry I didn't put much details, like I said in the beginning, but and I'm sorry that the video is all over, but hey, I'm trying to make content, I'm trying to get better. With that said, guys, I guess I'll leave you with this little short video that is jumping all around, and just like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.